Trevor just opened a birthday present early. This is called an Okie Dokie. It's like a little tricycle.
Oh, look. Oh, that thing just folds up.
Yeah, it folds. Woo! He can barely touch his toes on the ground, so he can't quite push himself yet on this. Yeah, is that fun? Ooh. Ooh. Yep, he's kind of getting his balance.
He did that himself, though. He got back on.
Good job. Big boy. This is for your 1-year birthday present from Mommy and Daddy. Woo. Daddy's going to make you an adrenaline junkie. You're going to want to drive fast just like Daddy does. Whoa. You're fast. What do you think of that?
I think he likes it.
Yeah, he likes being able to move like that. Fun stuff. Wow. Yeah, it's exciting. What do you think, Trevor? You're almost 1 year old. Just a few more weeks.
You can put a hand